Namaste!
Namaste!
I am coming live with the very beautiful
Shanananda,
and she is one of the students, almost graduates of the Black Yogi Tribe 200 Hour. And we have also with us, come. We have Miss Brittany. Huh? Oh, go ahead. No, go. That's right. We have Brittany.
Yes, namaste.
Here with us, and we just wanted to talk to you all a little bit about what's going on here and just the journey. So, y'all, tell the folks, first of all, thank y'all. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much for your donations, for your support, for your shares, and just helping us make this dream a reality.
Yes.
I'm super excited to be able to, just be in this moment with beautiful yogis and to be able to be a part of history and to be able to teach eventually at the studio, the Black Yogi Tribe studio, the first Black-owned space here in Birmingham, Alabama. And this is so special to us, so we're grateful. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And for me, growing up in Birmingham, this is monumental. I never imagined myself being able to teach in a space created for us, by us. But literally each day is becoming more and more a reality, and I'm really looking forward to teaching and just continuing to grow, through continued education programs and interacting with more students, learning, and it's literally dreams into reality. That's the only way I can describe it.
Yes. And then I know you all, real quick, just saw we got a new person added to the live. So this is this is Lizard Bizzard, y'all. Okay, this is Miss Gormley, and she's also one of the students, also a almost graduate of the Black Yogi Tribe. So go ahead and introduce yourself if you want to.
Hi everyone. This is a amazing community to be part of, and the vision and clarity of the Black Yogi Tribe is one that I'm proud to be aligned with and in support of, and to be following and learning from. And we are all part of building this future here together. So I think we're asking you for money. I'm going to ask you to give us money right now.
Say that!
I got paid on Friday, so whenever you get paid next, join me in giving. Join me in giving what you can, as many and as often times as possible, because this vision is something we can all hold and make possible together. It's something that, whether it's 50 cents or $50,000, it's going to be a beautiful seed to plant and for us all to cultivate and grow together. So
yes, thank you. This is our lovely Biz, okay, y'all. During journal time, she be getting us together.
Yes. Let's go. Yes.
So you were gonna share something, Brittany.
I was just going to say donate. I donate, even though I'm a student. I still donate. So just donate and share and like and repost as much as possible. This is definitely something that's special to us. I am from Talladega, Alabama, and so this is a beautiful thing to see happen in Alabama, period. And I'm just so excited, Adi, to just to have a space where we could come and heal, because that's what this really is about. It's just healing ourselves, mind, body, and spirit.
Yes.
And I'm grateful to learn and to be a student as well as a teacher.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. And then, I don't know if y'all heard, but the door just knocked. So we have a special guest here. We have the beautiful, lovely, amazing Mama Synovia here today with us, leading us in some Kemetic yoga. So we're going to go ahead and end this live right away. But listen, all of you, under the sound of our voice right now, leave your donation. It doesn't matter what amount. Leave your donation. And thank you so much.